We know that humoral immunity protects the extracellular spaces in our bodies, and this is via the antibodies. From the B cells. So the humoral immune response is very important in destroying extracellular microorganisms and preventing the spread of intracellular infections. Now, in order for the B cells to be able to produce antibodies,